To basically give out the key takeaways from this entire judgment from the Apex Court, basically what the Supreme Court has said is like the Gujarat government, which gave the remission to these 11 convicts, it was not competent in doing that. It was not Gujarat government's jurisdiction, but it was the jurisdiction of the Maharashtra government. The reason for that is, if you want to explain it to our viewers, now it was Bilkis Banu who had raised aspersions on Gujarat government, basically saying that her case is related to the Gujarat riots. She basically was suspecting favoritism from the Gujarat government to the accused in this case, and that is why the case was transferred to the Maharashtra government. There the entire investigation was being carried out. The trial also took place in Maharashtra. Bombay High Court had pronounced verdict in this case, convicting the 11 accused. And later on, what the Supreme Court also basically is saying is that the convicts basically gave false information to the Apex Court and tried to get Gujarat government into the picture to get remission from the Gujarat government. Now, at present, I am in Devgarh Baria. Now, this is the rehabilitated village of Bilkis Banu. Basically, she stayed around 50 kilometers from here, but after the riots, her entire family members who remained and also the villagers were shifted over here. This is the residence of Bilkis Banu. She stayed here for 1 year. Unfortunately, because of security reasons, she had to shift base as well. Now, with me is the brother of Bilkis Banu. कैसे देखते हैं ये इसको मॉरल विक्ट्री मांगते हो और एक कड़ी तरीके से निशाना भी साधा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने. वो कॉन्विक्ट्स को बोला है कि तुमको वापस जेल जाना पड़ेगा, 2 वीक का समय है तुम्हारे पास, और ये एक सेटबैक भी है गुजरात सरकार के लिए भी.
जी 15 अगस्त को जो इन्होंने गुजरात गवर्नमेंट ने जब 11 दोषियों को छोड़ा तो हमको बहुत ही झटका और मतलब अफसोस हुआ कि इतना कुछ होने के बावजूद भी हमें न्याय तो मिला था, लेकिन बीच में मतलब ऐसी बात हो गई. अब क्या है कि आज जब गुजरात सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जब आज चुकादा जो दिया है, जो मीडिया के माध्यम से हमें पता चला कि उन दोषियों को दोबारा मतलब जेल भेजा जाए और 2 वीक के अंदर जल्द से जल्द उनको जेल के अंदर डाला जाए, और हमारी सबकी यही राय थी और मतलब हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं.
As soon as the judgment was pronounced today by the Supreme Court, there were celebrations in this village of Bilkis Banu as well. Many of the villagers could be seen bursting firecrackers as well. We'll speak to this other brother of Bilkis Banu. आप कैसे देखते हो, ये मॉरल विक्ट्री मानी जानी चाहिए बिल्किस बानो के लिए? एक लंबी लड़ाई भी थी आप लोगों की, करीब 15 महीने के लिए ये जो कॉन्विक्ट्स है वो बाहर भी रहे, और जिस तरीके से उनका स्वागत किया गया, हार डाला गया, वो कितना भयानक था आपके लिए?
वो दोषी को जब गुजरात सरकार ने मुक्त किया, वो सब गलत है, और उसको स्वागत किया, फूलहार और सब किया, वो भी गलत है. और इनके लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में गए थे और मीडिया के माध्यम से हमको पता चला कि दोषियों को वापस 2 हफ्ते के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. इससे हम खुश हैं.
ये एक बड़ा सेटबैक भी मानते हो आप? जो कॉन्विक्ट्स है उनके लिए ऑब्वियसली है, बट गुजरात सरकार को भी एक सेटबैक है कि बेसिकली एक जस्टिस प्रिवेल हो गया है. इसमें आपको लगता है कि जितना आप जो पहले हुआ था आपके साथ 15 अगस्त को जो गलती हो गई थी, आप जो बोल रहे थे, आपको अभी फाइनली जस्टिस मिल गया, ऐसा आपको लगता है?
हाँ, अब तो क्या है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से और देश के सच्च अदालत और न्यायतंत्र पे हमको भरोसा था कि हमको जरूर न्याय मिलेगा, और आज मीडिया के माध्यम से जी आप सुन रहे हैं, इससे हम खुश हैं.
Some of the very significant observation that the Apex Court also has made is that the Supreme Court has said that the Gujarat government was complicit with the accused in this case, basically the convicts in this case. So basically the entire stance of the Gujarat government is also being questioned by the Apex Court, and also said that it was not your jurisdiction, you were not competent authority to give remission, basically release these 11 convicts. It is the Maharashtra government which was supposed to do it. So usurp of power was also being done by the Gujarat government. That is what the Supreme Court has observed in this case. Now this village basically is celebrating, is feeling that
although you're getting us those important details and also drawing things into perspective as to legally speaking what happened and getting us those significant inputs, I'm afraid I'd have to interject you there because we're running short of time. But thank you very much for telling our viewers